Hello everyone, in this video we will see compound angles examples. So in that question is, if tan A is equals to 3 divided by 4, tan B is equals to 1 divided by 7, then find tan A plus B. Otherwise, same question they may ask like this also. If tan A is equals to 3 divided by 4, tan B is equals to 1 divided by 7, then show that A plus B is equals to 45 degree. Okay, so see here, in such type of question, here two values are given. Tan A value is given, tan B value is given. So here tan A plus B you need to find out. So you need to apply tan A plus B compound angle formula only. But here they have not mentioned tan A plus B, just here A plus B is there. Here also you need to apply which formula? Tan A plus B only, because here which two values are given? Tan A value is given and tan B value is given. Okay, therefore see the solution, how to solve such type of example. So first you need to apply first tan A plus B compound angle formula. You know, tan A plus B is equals to, what is the formula? Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Okay, so next what you need to do is, you here RHS side, tan A, tan B, tan A, tan B value you substitute. Here tan A is given 3 divided by 4 plus tan B is given 1 divided by 7 divided by 1 minus, again in bracket, tan A is 3 divided by 4 into tan B is 1 divided by 7. So next, this denominator value I am going to do the simplification first. So numerator keep it as it is, 3 divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 7 divided by 1 minus 3 into 1 is 3 divided by 7 into 4 is 28. Correct. So next step what you need to do is, in the numerator as well as in the denominator, here you need to take what? LCM. Correct. So next, which is equals to 4 and 7 is there. So 4 and 7 LCM is 28. Correct. 4 and 7. So 4 ones are 4. 7 you keep it as it is. Next 7. This one as it is. 7 ones are 7. So next these two you multiply. 4 into 7 is how much? 28. Therefore in the numerator LCM is 28. Correct. So to get this 28, here you need to multiply by how much here? 7. 4 into 7 is 28. 7 is there. To get that 28 you need to multiply by how much here? 4. 7 into 4 is 28. Next, these two you multiply. 7 into 3 sorry, 7 into 3 is 21 plus 4 into 1 is 4. Correct. Whole divided by, here denominator again LCM is how much here? 28. So here nothing means always 1 will be there. So here 1 is there. To get this 28 you need to multiply by 28. Here already 28 is there. So to get that 28 you need to multiply by 1. Therefore 28 into 1 is 28 minus 3 into 1 is how much here? 3. So that time here 28 both are going to get cancelled. So finally tan next A plus B is equals to 21 plus 4 is 25 divided by 28 minus 3 is also 25. So cancel these two. Finally, what is the value of tan A plus B is 1. If the question is first, so till here you need to do. Correct. Because here only you need to find out what? Tan A plus B. Therefore tan A plus B value is how much here? 1. So suppose instead of giving this question, if they give next question, that is A plus B is equals to 45 degree. So next further you need to do the simplification. So in inverse trigonometric function, correct? In inverse, so next step here you need to apply inverse trigonometric function, correct? In inverse trigonometric, if you know tan 45 degree value is how much here? 1, correct? Tan 45 degree value is how much here? 1. So that time if you want 45 degree, that time if you take this tan to right hand side, tan becomes what here? Inverse function, that is tan inverse of what here? 1. Tan which degree value is 1? Tan 45 degree value is what here? 1. Therefore inverse function definition is what? Theta is equals to tan inverse of what here? X. So this is the inverse function definition. Here tan is there, so I have taken here tan, correct? So here also same process. So we need only a plus b. Say in place of 45 degree, here a plus b is there. So what I am going to do, I am going to keep that a plus b as it is. So a plus b as it is equals to, shift this tan to right hand side. So tan becomes what here? Tan inverse of what here? 1, correct? Tan inverse of 1. So next a plus b is equals to, next you know tan which degree value is 1? Tan 45 degree value is how much here? 1. Therefore tan inverse of 1 value is how much here? 45 degree, correct? Therefore if they give second question, these 2 extra step you need to follow. Otherwise if first question is there, then what is the final answer? Tan a plus b is equals to how much? 1. Next one, if tan a is equals to 1 divided by 3 and tan a plus b value is 1 divided by 7, then you need to find out which value here? Tan b. Okay, so here see here tan a value is given, tan a plus b value is given. So using these two you need to find out tan b. Here tan a plus b already given, that's why I am going to apply which formula? Tan a plus b compound angle formula I am going to apply first. So see solution. First tan a plus b is equals to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. So next here see tan a plus b already given, correct? 1 divided by how much here? 7. So tan a plus b, this value I am going to substitute. So how much it is given? 1 divided by 7 is equals to, tan a is given, tan a is equals to how much? 1 divided by 3 plus tan b is not given, that value only you need to find out. So I am going to keep a tan b as it is divided by 1 minus tan a is 1 divided by 3 into tan b, again I am going to keep it as it is, correct? Tan b I am going to keep it as it is. So next, so now you need to find out which value? Tan b. So to find out this tan b, first step what I am going to do, I am going to do the cross multiplication here, correct? I am going to do the cross multiplication. If I do the cross multiplication, this 1 minus tan b divided by 3 will come in the numerator. So here already 1 by 7 is there, so that 1 divided by 7 I am going to keep it as it is in bracket. So it is 1 minus 1 divided by 3 into what here? Tan b, correct? Is equals to, so here numerator remaining value is 1 by 3 plus tan b, 1 by 3 plus tan b, correct? So next, so first in the left hand side I am going to open the bracket, correct? These two you multiply. So 1 upon 7 into 1 is how much? 1 divided by 7 minus 1 into 1 is 1. 7 into 3 is how much? 21 into what here? Tan b. Keep it as it is, correct? 1 upon 7 into 1 is 1 upon 7. 1 upon 7 into 1 upon 3 tan b is 1 upon 21 into what? Tan b is equals to 1 divided by 3 plus tan b. Next, so you can see in the left hand side 1 tan b is there, right hand side 1 tan b, left hand side 1 constant value, here also 1 constant value is there in the right hand side. So next step what I am going to do, both the constant term I am going to bring to left hand side, both the tan b value I am going to bring what here? Right hand side. Correct. So here this 1 divided by 7 I am going to keep it as it is. So this 1 by 7 I am going to keep it as it is. I am going to shift this plus 1 divided by 3 to left hand side. So that time 1 upon 3 becomes what? Plus 1 by 3 becomes what? Minus 1 divided by 3 is equals to. Here what is the remaining value? Tan b. So keep that tan b as it is. At the same time you need to shift minus 1 upon 21 into tan b to right hand side. So that time minus becomes what here? Plus 1 upon 21 into what here? Tan b. Correct. So next step. Next step what I am going to do? In the left hand side I am going to take the LCM, as well as in the right hand side also I am going to take what here? LCM. 7 and 3 is there, directly what will be the LCM here? 21 is the LCM. Correct. Because here I will do 7 and 3 is there. 7 ones are 7, 3 as it is. So next 3, 1, 1. So next these two you multiply 7 into 3 is how much here? 21. So this is the LCM. Therefore 7 is there. To get this 21 you need to multiply by 3. 7 into 3, 21. 3 is there, so you need to multiply by how much? 7. So next 3 into 1 is 3 minus 7 into 1 is how much here? 7 is equals to, here also what is the LCM? 21. So multiply here by 21 and here by how much here? 1. Correct. So next 21 into tan b is 21 times of what here? Tan b, plus 1 into tan b is how much here? Tan b. 1 into tan b is how much here? Tan b. Correct. So next, so here directly you can cancel 21 and 21. 21 and 21 directly you can cancel. 3 minus of 7. Correct. So 3 minus of 7 is minus 4 is equals to 21 plus 1 is 22 times of what here? Tan b. Correct. So finally which value you want here? Tan b. So because of multiplication 22 will come in the denominator. So minus 4 divided by what here? 21. So this is the final answer. Otherwise you can cancel 2 to 11. Correct. Therefore finally what is the value of tan b here? Minus 2 divided by what? 11. So this is the value of what? Tan b. Next, this question you can try. So here same how you solved the previous example, same it is. Tan a is equals to 1 upon 2. Tan a minus b value is given 1 upon 7. Then you need to find out which value? Tan b. So here tan a minus b is given. That's why first step what you need to do is apply tan a minus b formula. Correct. So you know tan a minus b formula is what? Tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a into tan b. So after applying the formula, substitute tan a value, substitute tan a minus b value, then do the simplification. Final answer you should get how much here? Tan b is equals to 9 divided by 15. How you solved the previous example, same step you need to apply here also. Only the change is you need to apply here tan a minus b formula. So next question. See in this question, if sine a is equals to 4 by 5, sine b is equals to 5 by 13, then find sine a plus b. Correct. Two values are given. You need to find out which value? Sine a plus b. So first To find out sine A plus B, you have to know the formula of what? Sine A plus B. Correct? You know the formula, correct? So what is the formula of compound angle formula of sine A plus B? Sine A plus B is equals to sine A into cos B plus cos A into sine B. Correct? So this is the formula. But you can see in this formula, you want which value? Sine A plus B, correct? If you want the sine A plus B value, you need to simplify this. If you want to simplify this, you need all four values. But the problem is here only sine A value is given. How much? 4 by 5, correct? Next, sine B value is given. How much? 5 divided by 13. But we don't know cos A value and we don't know cos B value. Correct? Therefore, this I am going to call 1. Here, first, sine A is given. How much? 4 divided by 5. Here, cos A is question mark because both the angles are what here? Same. Next, second, sine B is given. How much? 5 divided by how much here? 13. And here which value is question mark? Cos B value is what here? Question mark. So first step, you need to find out cos A. Here you need to find out what here? Cos B. So here you know sine A formula, opposite divided by hypotenuse side, correct? Opposite divided by hypotenuse is nothing but what? Sine A. Correct? So here what I am going to do, I am going to draw one right angle triangle. I am going to draw one right angle triangle. So if it is theta, so this is the opposite side. This is the 90 degree, means hypotenuse side, and remaining side is how much here? Adjacent side. So opposite is already given 4. So here this value is 4. H value is again given. How much here? 5. So you need which value here? A value, correct? Therefore apply Pythagoras theorem. Therefore you know h square is equals to O square plus A square. But here which value is question mark? A. So I am going to shift this O square to left hand side. So that time h square minus O square is equals to A square. H is how much? 5. So it is 5 square minus O is 4. 4 square is equals to what? A square. So it is 25 minus of 16 is equals to A square. 25 minus of 16 is nothing but how much here? 9 is equals to A square. Therefore you need only A value, that is a square root of 9. Therefore adjacent side value is how much here? 3. Correct? Therefore you need which value here? Cos A. Cos A is equals to, what is the formula? Adjacent side divided by what here? Hypotenuse side. So adjacent side is 3 and hypotenuse side is how much here? 5. So you got the first value. So finally you got the one value, that is cos A. Correct? Similarly, same process here also you need to apply. So first again sine B is the angle, opposite divided by what? Hypotenuse side. Again I am going to draw here one right angle triangle. Sorry, this I am going to call it as angle A is there. So this is the angle A. Sorry. So here B is there. So angle B, opposite side, 90 degree, hypotenuse side. So next is what here? Adjacent side. So opposite side is 5. So 5. Hypotenuse side is how much here? 13. So again you need which value? A value. So same Pythagoras theorem. H square is equals to O square plus A square. Therefore here A square is equals to H square minus of what? O square. Therefore A square is equals to H value is 13 square. 13. Next one is what? Minus O value is 5 square. So A square is equals to 169 minus of how much here? 25. Therefore, a square is equals to 144. A is equals to square root of 144. Therefore, which is nothing but how much here? 12. Finally, you need which value now? Cos b, correct? Therefore, cos b is equals to same formula, adjacent divided by what? Hypotenuse side. So adjacent is 12 and divided by hypotenuse side is how much here? 13. So finally, you got which value? Cos b. Cos b. Now all four values you got, correct? Therefore, this sine a. So here is the sine a, and this is the sine b. Next, this is cos a, cos b. These all four values. Here I am going to substitute. I am going to do the simplification. Then only I will get which value? Sine a plus b. Therefore, from 1, what is that? Sine a plus b is equals to sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Substitute. Sine a is 4 divided by 5. 4 divided by 5 into cos b. Cos b is 12 divided by how much here? 13 plus cos a. Cos a is 3 divided by 5 into sine b. Sine b is 5 divided by how much here? 13. So next multiply. So 12 into 4, 48 divided by 13 into 5, 65 plus 5 into 3 is 15, 13 into 5 is 65. So next take the LCM. So LCM is how much? 65. So multiply by 1. So 48 into 1 is 48 plus 15 into 1 is 15. Therefore 48 plus 15 is how much here? 63 divided by what? 65. So this is the value of what? Sine a plus b. So that is the value of what? Sine a plus b. Thank you.